Have you ever wondered how the richest 1% manage their wealth? It's a question that's crossed many minds, and today we're diving deep into the subject. Our goal is to demystify the powerful wealth secrets of the 1% and equip you with the knowledge to effectively manage your finances. This is a journey towards better financial management, a journey towards understanding and emulating the strategies of the top 1%. So fasten your seatbelts and prepare for an insightful ride. Join us on this journey as we unlock the powerful wealth secrets of the 1%. The first step to managing your money like the 1% is to develop a wealth mindset. But what is a wealth mindset? It's a way of thinking that embraces abundance and believes in the potential for prosperity. This is significantly different from a poverty mindset, which is rooted in scarcity and fear. If you constantly worry about not having enough, you're closing yourself off to opportunities for growth and wealth creation. It's important to understand that money is not an end in itself, but a tool that can provide freedom, security, and opportunities. A wealth mindset focuses on the positive possibilities rather than the negative limitations. It's about seeing money as a means to make a difference, not just for you, but for others as well. So start cultivating a wealth mindset today. Start seeing abundance rather than scarcity. Start viewing challenges as opportunities for growth. Start believing in your potential to create and manage wealth. Remember, wealth starts in the mind. The wealthiest people in the world didn't get there by accident. They had clear financial goals. Just like a ship without a compass, your finances can drift aimlessly without clear goals. It's not just about wanting to be rich. It's about knowing precisely what you want your wealth to accomplish. Start by setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound or smart financial goals. Want to accumulate $1 million? That's specific and measurable. Now, is it achievable and relevant? That depends on your income, spending, saving habits, and timeline. Finally, set a time-bound target. Maybe it's 10 years, maybe it's 20. Break down your large goals into smaller, manageable milestones. Maybe you aim to save a certain amount each month or year. These smaller goals will help keep you motivated and on track. Remember, your financial goals should be a reflection of your life's goals. So think about what you value most in life, and let that guide your financial planning. Goals give you a roadmap to wealth. The 1% don't rely on a single income stream. They maximize their income streams. Now let's delve deeper into this. Having multiple income streams is like having a safety net. It's a buffer for those unexpected financial hiccups life throws at us. But how do you create these streams? Start with your skills. Can you leverage them into a side hustle? Maybe you're a whiz at graphic design, or you can play a mean guitar. Use these skills to create an additional income source. Investing is another way to generate income. Think stocks, bonds, real estate. Each offers potential returns and diversifies your income. Remember, passive income is the key. It's income that requires little to no effort to earn and maintain. Think royalties from a book or renting out a property. Finally, don't be afraid to monetize your passion. Love gardening? Start a blog or a YouTube channel. Share your knowledge and watch the income roll in. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. I hope you're enjoying the video. Please like and subscribe for more content to help grow your wealth. Investing is a key wealth building strategy used by the 1%. Investing isn't just about making your money grow. It's about making your money work for you. It's about letting your capital take the reins while you sit back and watch your wealth expand. But investing isn't a gamble. It's not about throwing your money into the market and hoping for the best. It's about making calculated decisions and taking calculated risks. The 1% understand that diversification is a crucial part of investing. Putting all your eggs in one basket is a surefire way to expose yourself to unnecessary risk. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you can mitigate this risk and increase your chances of achieving steady growth. They also understand the value of investing in what they know. If you're not familiar with an industry or a company, it's best to steer clear until you've done your homework. And finally, the 1% know that patience is key. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your wealth be. Invest your money and let it work for you. Wealthy people understand the importance of minimizing debts. Now, why is that? Debts are like anchors. They weigh you down, preventing you from sailing swiftly towards your financial goals. High-interest debts particularly can rapidly drain your wealth, leaving you with less to invest and expand your income streams. So what's the game plan? Start by organizing your debts. Know how much you owe and the interest rate attached to each debt. Next, prioritize. Pay off high-interest debts first, as they are the most damaging to your wealth. Consider consolidating your debts if possible. This can make your repayments more manageable and often reduce the interest you're paying. And remember, it's okay to seek professional help. Financial advisors can provide valuable guidance on managing and minimizing your debts. Lastly, cultivate a habit of mindful spending. Avoid unnecessary debts by living within your means and saving for big purchases. Manage your debts, don't let them manage you. Taxes can take a significant chunk of your wealth, if not planned for. It's a reality we all face, but the savvy ones among us know how to navigate it. For starters, understanding the tax laws applicable to your situation is crucial. Ignorance isn't bliss when it comes to taxes, it's expensive. Next, consider the benefits of tax-efficient investments. Some investments are taxed more favorably than others. For instance, long-term capital gains are generally taxed at a lower rate than regular income. Remember, deductions and credits are your friends. They can significantly reduce your taxable income, so be sure to leverage them. Consider seeking professional help. Tax laws can be complex, and having an expert on your side can save you time, stress, and money. Finally, always keep accurate records. This not only helps when filing your taxes, but also if you're audited. To sum it up, a penny saved in taxes is a penny earned. The 1% don't just grow their wealth, they protect it. A significant facet of financial management is asset protection. It's not just about amassing wealth, it's about safeguarding what you've painstakingly built. Think of your assets as a fortress. You've worked hard to build these walls, and you must now defend them. This means being vigilant about possible risks. These risks could be anything from market volatility, legal liabilities, to unforeseen accidents. One way to protect your assets is through insurance. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind. Another method is diversifying your investments. By spreading your money across various asset classes, you minimize the risk of one bad apple spoiling the entire basket. Remember, asset protection isn't about hiding or hoarding wealth. It's about making smart, strategic decisions to ensure that the wealth you've built remains yours. In the game of wealth creation, defense is just as important as offense. Protect your assets, they are your wealth. Your network can be a significant source of wealth. Yes, you heard that right. It's not just about what you know, but also who you know. Networking can open doors to opportunities you may not have even considered, and it's an essential skill for wealth accumulation. So how can you build a strong network? Start by seeking out like-minded individuals. Attend industry events, join online forums, and don't shy away from striking up conversations. Remember, every person you meet is a potential connection. Next, don't just take, give. Networking is a two-way street. If you want to get, you must be willing to give. Offer advice, provide solutions, share opportunities. In the world of networking, generosity often breeds reciprocity. Finally, keep in touch. Don't let valuable relationships fade away. Regularly reach out to your connections, catch up, and stay on their radar. To put it simply, your network is your net worth. So invest in it wisely. It's a wealth secret the 1% have mastered. Regular financial reviews are a must for effective wealth management. Think of it as a health checkup, but for your finances. It's about taking a step back, assessing your financial situation, and making necessary adjustments to stay on track. With regular reviews, you can monitor your spending habits, identify if you're meeting your financial goals, and spot any potential issues that could throw you off course. This proactive approach helps you maintain control over your money and fosters financial growth. So how should you conduct these reviews? First, set aside time each month to review your financial statements. Look at your income, expenses, and savings. Are you sticking to your budget? Are you saving enough? Are your investments performing as expected? Next, consider an annual review with a financial advisor. They can provide valuable insights and advice to help you optimize your wealth management strategy. Remember, the power to build wealth lies in your hands. Keep a close eye on your finances. Wealth management requires discipline and patience. It's a journey, not a sprint. You won't wake up one day to find your bank account overflowing with riches. It's about making strategic decisions consistently over time. Discipline is about making those tough choices. It's about forgoing that impulse buy, sticking to your budget, or working a few extra hours to invest in your future. It's about saying no to immediate gratification for the promise of long-term prosperity. Patience, on the other hand, is about trusting the process. Investments need time to grow. Compounding interest, the eighth wonder of the world, works its magic slowly. It's about understanding that wealth is accumulated gradually, and it's the small, consistent actions that make a big difference. Maintaining discipline and patience can be challenging, especially when you're faced with tempting shortcuts. But remember, there's no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. At the end of the day, patience is the key to wealth. Charity is a common habit among the 1%. The world's wealthiest individuals understand that giving is not just about being philanthropic, it's also a key component of wealth management. Charitable giving allows the wealthy to support causes that are important to them, while also providing potential tax benefits. But charity isn't just about writing a check. It's about making a difference, creating a legacy, and fostering a sense of purpose. So, how do you incorporate charity into your wealth management strategy? Start by identifying causes that align with your values. Next, consider establishing a charitable trust or foundation. This not only provides a structured way to give, but it can also provide tax benefits. Remember, charity doesn't have to mean large-scale philanthropy. Even small, regular contributions can make a difference. The key is to give consistently and intentionally, with a focus on making a positive impact. In the words of the old proverb, "Give and you shall receive." Managing your wealth like the 1% is not a far-fetched dream. These principles are not exclusive to the 1%. They are tools that you can start using today in your wealth management strategy. Remember, the journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. So, don't wait for tomorrow. Start managing your wealth like the 1% today. Remember to like, subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. I will see you in the next video.